Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Science. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of earthworms. Have you ever wondered how these tiny creatures move, breathe, and survive underground? Let's dive into their external structures and find out. Stay tuned. Body shape and segmentation. Earthworms have a long, cylindrical, and segmented body that helps them move easily through the soil. Their bodies are divided into small rings called segments, metameres. Did you know? An adult earthworm has about 100 to 150 segments. Each segment has tiny bristle-like structures called setae, which help them grip the soil while moving. The head region and sensory organs. An earthworm does not have eyes, ears, or a nose like us. Instead, the first segment, prostomium, acts like a sensory organ to detect light and vibrations. Earthworms move away from light and prefer dark, moist places. This helps them stay safe from predators. Clitellum, the band-like structure. The clitellum is a noticeable, thicker ring near the front part of the earthworm. It plays a key role in reproduction, helping the worm lay eggs in a protective cocoon. Not all worms have a visible clitellum. Only mature worms have it. Anus and movement mechanism. The posterior and tail region contains the anus, where undigested material, worm castings, is expelled. Earthworms move using muscular contractions and setae. They expand and contract their body segments to push forward. So today, we learned about the earthworm's segmented body, sensory organs, clitellum, and movement. These simple creatures are actually very important for our environment. Did you enjoy this video? Hit the like button, subscribe to Smart Science,